Let's talk about how to permanently delete your Facebook account. To start, open your Facebook application. After loading, you tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner like this. Then either you can tap the setting icon or scroll down and you can select settings and privacy. Then you have to open settings like this. Then you will get this account setup feature at the top of the list. If you can't find out this one, all you have to do, you have to update this application. Then this option is here. After that, just tap See More in Account Center. Then you will get another pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you have to select the second option under Account Settings. Select Personal Details. Now select the last option, Account Ownership and Control. In this window, select the second one, Deactivation or Deletion. Since you are going to delete only our Facebook account, you have to select the first one, Facebook. Here, the default selection is deactivate. So you have to change it to delete account. Like this, just tick this delete account, then it will be selected like this. Tap continue to go forward. Here, they ask to select any reason. You don't need to select any reason. You can go forward without selecting any reason. If you select a reason, according to your selection, the next window will be optimized. So, to go forward, just tap the continue button. Here, they provide another option, deactivate messengers. We don't want to deactivate our messenger account. As well as this one is important. I highly recommend you to download a copy of your information. Once you schedule to delete your account, it will be deleted within next 30-day period. So after that 30-day period time, you can't retrieve or you can't access any of your information. So it is better download a copy of your information or you can transfer it to another account. Tap continue at the bottom. Now they ask you to verify yourself. For verification, you have to re-enter your password like this. After entering your password, just tap the continue button to go forward. Here, they have mentioned once you submit a deletion request, it will be deleted within next 30-day period because of the security reason. So, to confirm your deletion request, just tap delete account button. Then, the deletion request will be sent as well as you will get this kind of pop-up message too. Then you will be logged out from your Facebook account. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Such an expired message and you will be logged out. Instead of deleting your account, if you want to deactivate, you can click this end screen video. If you want to watch this kind of tutorial, I invite you to check out my YouTube channel. That is today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.